In my last video I said that I was going to start on the bumpers on the Cherokee, but a little delay on that. The bumpers I ordered, they're Aries Fab bumpers and they're made to order, so they're going to take another week to get here. So in the meantime, I figured I'd make another video on the steering box spacer. They show up raw, and this actually keeps the cost down, I think. So this is $30 shipped to my house, versus some of the other ones I was looking at, which were powder coated. They were like $50. So this piece here, you're never gonna see it, ever. So I figured I'd just hit it with some etching primer, some black paint, and paint this guy up, and install it real quick. Kind of curious to see what. What shape that aluminum one is in. See if it's even broke or not. But yeah, this is the welds look pretty good. It's a nice piece. So I already hit it with some brake clean. I'm just gonna end up painting it up right now. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Cool if I could fix this. Alright, so bolt here, 16mm, 16mm, and this guy here. And here's the steering box, and then the spacer. That's the aluminum guy back there. We're just going to replace that guy. Let's see if this guy has the power to take it off. Ah. 15. Yeah, mine's not broke or anything. Looks pretty good. All right, I'm gonna go 70 foot-pounds on those 3 bolts. And that should be it.
There you go, you can see the little bracket back there. And that other hole, I can run a bolt through there later. I can get one from work or something. Not too bad.
Alright, that really wasn't too bad with the bumper off. I don't know if I'm cheating or what, but just wait for the bumper to come in. I don't know if I'm going to take those bolts back out when I get the bumper, if the tie-ins are going to end up going in there or what. But if you made it this far, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.